Hi, welcome back. Or no, whatever. I'm back. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna get this finished up and add it to my not huge collection. When I went and got this yard, I took the house with these two dogs to go together. Yeah. Part of the reason I didn't record yesterday was because I was not feeling good yesterday. And right now, so I'm gonna put on my TV, try and turn myself around here a little bit, and I'm gonna get situated. Okay, so I'm going to work on this now. Watch some British TV. Yes, you heard me. Okay. I really wanted to do all of this on camera with you guys, but seriously now. Just if I can finish this up today, that would be awesome. On camera, I mean. I can finish it up today, but whether it's on camera or not, I don't know. But I'm going to have to do it, you know. I'm going to have to fast, you know. What's it called? You know. Time lapse it. There we go. Okay. So, and hopefully the cats will be kind to me and not attack my yarn every 3 seconds. I don't hold my breath on it. So, okay. Let's get to it. Something done today. I feel like all I did the last couple of days is running around. Oh, yeah, I did. I went, like I said, I went to my therapist yesterday. He sent me home within minutes because I just didn't feel good. I know it had to do with my diabetes. I could tell by the way I felt. I was doing pretty good on this last night. It was going pretty fast. See, I have a problem with doing this side of it. You know, move my finger like that. So I'm kind of, I got my own way. Oops. So anyway. Ta-da! I'll wait to put a label on that later because I'm going to do it on all the rest of them anyway. So, okay. Oh, Lord. So, I don't even know where I was going with all this. Oh, I did want to work on my books more, but I also have another video I gotta do, and I've got to do it. Good God, woman. Got at least 2 right now that I need to get edited and scheduled. So, put this away now. Right up here. All the rest of it. That whole container is that happy. Okay. Oh, I also never did mention that I'm using a different mic. Hope it sounds good. We shall see. Hello, Sasha. Yeah. Sasha? No, she jumps down. Figures. Where'd you go? Whatever. Hi, baby. Alright, so I got a lot of stuff I gotta do in here. Plus, I need to go get my new. Sasha, stop! Sasha, get away from me! Sasha, move! No, that's Mama's. Stop it! Come here. Get over here. Come here. Get down there. Alright, so if you managed to watch this, I hope that you will like and subscribe. Yeah, come back more cat antics. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.